And welcome guys, and I wanted to show you guys the expansion that I made for something that I've been cooking up a little bit later. Now, because of, well, I wanted to make it as simple as possible. This is just going to show you what it's going to do at first. Now, this is going to be a runtime editor where you have all your full functions, hit, skip, things like that. Now, this works fine. As you can see, we can go through here and we can go through the hierarchy and just hit a bunch of these delete, 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 delete. It would be a lot faster if I wasn't recording, but as you can see, we got our little hierarchy thing and we got prefabs right here. Now we can just put down and we can move them around like so. And the problem with this asset is it didn't have its save functionality. Okay, so you know how that is. It doesn't have any saving, then what's the point in having it, right? Well, I built the saving and loading. You can actually go up to here and hit save. Give it a few seconds because it's got to go through all that stuff. And now we can hit load. And there we are. It's loaded and all that stuff. Now, you might be like, well, why not have Unity do this and stuff? Well, the thing is, we want to give our players like some type of level editor for themselves so that we can do replayability, right? And I'd like to give them some move tools like this, and we can actually go and shift and duplicate stuff. Shift D and make like layers or something like that. I mean, it's pretty functional. I mean, by itself, it was pretty alright. But I wanted to go a little bit further with it. Now, the scaling, the only problem that I found that I haven't solved yet is if we scale this with the scale tool, like so, and make it real thin and stuff like that, it will save and do everything that we need it to. Okay, because I made it save the scaling and stuff. Give it a few for the loading. Oh, no. Open. Open. Open the tool. Okay. And then we'll go load. It'll actually load it back up with the scaling. But as you know, if you did anything with scaling before, you have a problem with textures and stuff. So I'm not too sure that I'm going to leave that kind of functionality in mind. But how we're doing this is we can do the prefab of a player or a maze or a goal or any type of prefab that you want. Right here, this is scrollable. If there was more in my the file thing, see, the way I'm doing this is I'm instantiating with an asset bundle, and all these objects right here are coming from the bundle. So all I have to do is modify the bundle to make more prefabs available for the player. And like I said, yeah, and you can click around You can't like right click and hit delete, but you can hit delete on the keyboard. And you got Pam and Zilt, and I don't know what Focus does. Focus? It's F. Beats me on that one. But you can move around and everything else just fine. And you can add stuff. So this is my expansion on another asset. So I'm thinking about adding this in so that we can do runtime. But I wanted to let you guys know that I'm working on this and see if you guys are actually interested in making one for yourself. Like, you know, because some people are not into editors and things like that. Because what I would like is just to have a program that people can launch, make levels for themselves, or play what's already exists in the game. Because, you know, if you're like me, a lot of times the game gets old because there's no new levels. And, well, if people make level editors like so, where they can put like a little guy right here, or you know, have your player start off in the corner of the map and just want to go around and make a little kill house or something, then they can on their own. And we don't have to do that as developers. We just give them the ability to. And it's very easy to do so. All you have to do is do a couple prep work for your prefabs that you'll want them to instantiate. Like put a script on there for it to do saving, and then another script is for exposing it to the editor. To this hierarchy thing, you have to attach two scripts, you know, mine, the mod, and theirs. And I left it pretty modular, so the actual saving and loading code, it could actually probably be used anywhere, not just here. So let me know what you guys think. Oh, and you can also disable game objects in this thing too. See, you can also disable them. So yeah, that's all I wanted to let you guys know and stuff, so that you know. But let me know what you guys think, because I'm probably going to do something like this for my own game. So peace, cool, and take care, and you know, keep on trucking.